Okay po, so second set of exercises tayo, ma'am. 2 exercise tayo. Dumbbell shoulder press, tapos burpees. Okay? So start tayo with dumbbell. Check natin kung 5 to 15 pounds yung kaya natin. Alin doon tayo. Tapos 4 sets natin gagawin. And then right after that, burpees tayo. Okay? So kuha tayong dumbbell. So check. Dumbbells up. Yan. Elbows natin. Dumbbell almost touching sa shoulders. Tapos nakabend. Tapos press all the way up. So try natin pagdikitin. So inhale down. Exhale up. Okay? Check position. Bend yung elbow. Nakababa sa shoulders. Tapos all the way up. Inhale down. Habang nakatayo, slight bend sa knees. Okay? So pakita natin. Slight bend sa knees. Tapos shoulders back. And then pag-press natin. Okay? So pag-press, inhale, exhale. So yung movement ng kamay is parang pa letter A. Okay pa? And then, elbow slightly nasa harap. Okay? Slightly front. Slide na konti sa harap. Hindi siya ka-level. Alright? So dito, kasi, yan, para mas safe yung shoulders natin.